Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Play Store error code in Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. If you're using S22 Plus and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to use your Play Store, you might see any kind of error code or you are unable to use your Play Store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can try to use any other app to check if your internet is working well. So if your internet is not working well, so you can try to change your internet or to connect with a different network connection. Or if your internet is working well but you're still facing the same issue, keep a long press on your Play Store, click on this info button here, just scroll down, go to storage. The very first you can try to clear storage or clear cache, and then you can clear data. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have a second way. You just have to keep press on this profile icon here, scroll down, click on settings, click on about, and you might see update Play Store option. Just click on it, and your Play Store will be updated. If there will be any pending update to your Play Store, it will be fixed in this app. Your Play Store will be updated, so your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just scroll down your control center, click on this power icon here, click on restart, and then click on restart button again to have a restart with your phone. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.